Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the customized dashboard look for OJS latest version. I set it 4.0 but the latest is 3.5. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for its update. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. See, contact us page, my email, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. Also, you will get multiple free things on my blog as well. See, so back to dashboard. Let's see, friends. Then sidebar with toggle and the dashboard. Look, see. And like I said, I'm working on it, but you can see the look as well. Version 1. So friends, after it I will come with more things, and if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm fully available. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.